Hello and welcome to the Dee Show. I am your Gen Z rep Sonali, and we are here to welcome Dr. D to this rapid fire round called Beyond the Show, which is filled with unfiltered insights, fun revelations, and leadership wisdom packed in quick, punchy answers. So buckle up because this is going to be a conversation full of energy, wisdom, and some unexpected surprises. Let's dive into a rapid fire session with Dr. D.
Hi, Sonali.
Hello, Dr. D.
Wow, I'm on the edge of my seat and a little bit nervous because I know it's going to be a rapid fire.
And it's gonna be a hot seat, Dr. D, this time.
Looking forward to it. Usually, I'm the one who puts the other leaders on the spot, so I'm super excited to be on the spot myself.
So are you ready?
Absolutely, let's go for it.
So here we go. The first question is a morning ritual you swear by.
Well, I like to practice gratitude every morning and I like to meditate.
Wonderful. Power suit or statement dress?
Power suit, confidence in every stitch for me.
If you were not in business, what would you be doing?
I'd be writing a book, which I'm already doing, so I've turned
Oh,
author.
interesting. Favorite runway moment of your career?
Back in the day when I was one of the top models, well, I opened the show for JJ Valaya. He's an iconic designer and makes beautiful lehengas, which I was adorning at during that time.
Oh, wonderful. Go to stress buster.
Dancing like nobody's watching. And I do that even today. Just put a nice one of my dance numbers on YouTube and just watch and dance.
Oh, same here. A bad habit you're working on breaking.
Overcommitting. It's not like I struggle with saying no, but sometimes I'll end up overcommitting myself for the sake of others. So when I love somebody, I don't have boundaries.
Oh. One thing you always make time for no matter how busy.
Family, for sure. However busy I am, if I cannot meet them, I will make sure that I devote enough time on call with them, make sure that I express my love and fondness for them, highlight something positive about them. I do that.
Beautiful. Your go to social media platform for branding.
LinkedIn, all the way.
A personal brand beside yours that you admire.
Well, a personal brand would be Indra Nui, and a product brand would be Apple. I think for their innovations and the way they have like evolved with constantly reinventing themselves.
The best advice you ever received.
That the network is your net worth. And I think that is priceless, that is intangible. And the real test for that is that if you can get somebody a job at just one call and recommendation. And very recently, I did that to getting somebody a job in the United States of America. So I think that was a good feeling.
Amazing, amazing. So, the worst business advice you've ignored.
Don't take risks. I think people who have an employee mindset, they want to play it safe all the time, keep the money that is flowing in, just don't take risks. Why do you have to turn the apple cart? But I think that's the worst advice.
One tool or app you can't live without.
Beat leap. I enjoy making my own reels sometimes, especially from personal family functions or something when you're looking all dressed up and pretty. So I use Beat Leap a lot.
I'm sure you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Favorite way to unwind after a long day.
A cup of chamomile tea. I mean, that has to be accompanying me towards the end of my day and a mindful journaling. I always end my day like that.
One thing people would be surprised to know about you.
That I'm a very, very good cook or chef, whatever you want to call it, from presenting my food to making sure that it tastes good. I mean, that's what all my friends and family have told me. And name a cuisine and I can make it.
I'm confident you can.
No, a lot of people tell me with my profile and when they see me, ah, aap to cook nahi karti hongi. So that's something that not many people know about it.
Strange. Modeling, emceeing, or corporate leadership. Hardest to master.
I think, in my opinion, it would be emceeing. When you're a master of ceremony, you have to kind of think on your feet. There are no retakes. You have to kind of, tie in the whole event together and carry it seamlessly and effortlessly. And I think that is the toughest job out of the three.
But you do a fabulous job, Dr. D. I've seen you live.
Thank you, my dear.
If you had to describe your journey in a movie title, what would it be?
The pursuit of happiness.
Yes. The biggest challenge of being a CEO is
Making tough decisions without losing empathy. And I think it is a very tough balancing act that you have to do as a leader. For me, I'm very empathetic as a person, I'm very compassionate as a person, but sometimes I have to take tough decisions in the interest of running a business.
how do you keep your fun living spirit alive?
By being very impulsive. So this I've learned from my parents, and impulsive planning of a vacation, just take off without a plan, because otherwise I'm very structured. So I think that kind of keeps the fun spirit going.
And being an army brat has made you
Agile, definitely.
100% agreed. Favorite travel destination and why?
Well, in the world, I love Cape Town. Somehow, that place, it gives you the best of beautiful mountains and alongside serenity of the ocean. And I don't think I've seen any place as beautiful as that.
How wonderful, Dr. D. This was so much fun.
Thank
Any
you. I love the questions, though. Huh? Very interesting.
Thank you so much. Any parting thoughts?
Yes, of course. Well, we've reached the end of another amazing season of the Dee Show. Season 4 has been an incredible ride, full of laughter, deep conversations, and unforgettable moments. I want to take a moment to thank you all, yes, you all, for tuning in, appreciating the content that I bring to the table, sharing your feedback, your thoughts, constantly motivating me to do better every season on the D Show. Your support, your feedback, your messages, the energy that you share with me just keep me going. And I couldn't be more grateful. So thank you all to all my audience. A huge shout out to Sonali, yay, who brought out the best in me this season, got me to unravel my perspectives, my insights, and of course, a big love to my team behind the scenes. Anshu, Swati, JS, thank you so much for making every episode come together so seamlessly. And don't worry, my dear friends, this isn't a goodbye for long. Season 5 is already in the works. So stay tuned, stay connected, follow and subscribe the YouTube show, the D Show. And also let me know, write to me, connect with me across social media platforms. Let me know what you want to talk about in season 5 on this podcast. Until then, don't let anyone dim your shine. Be the amazing person that you are. This is Dr. D signing off for now, and see you in season 5. Much love to all of you. Mwah.
And that's a wrap on this power packed episode. But guess what? We're just getting started. If you've loved the energy, insights, and inspiration from this season, get ready because season 5 is going to be bigger, bolder, and filled with even more game changing conversations. Until next time, this is your Gen Z Reps signing off. And don't forget to subscribe to the DE Show.